So on our Google Docs, we shall head over to the File section. We'll start with the New, then Document. We already did that. Then New Template. So let's try a new template. Here are the multiple templates that we can try out. Maybe let's try the FAQs. Right. Then let's insert the template. We've successfully inserted the template. So we can edit it basing on our FAQs and all that. We can maybe add a person, then the role and all that. So that's how it could sound like. So let's head over to File, then go to Open. Now in case I want to open a file, maybe my Word document or something like that. So here is these are the recent documents. Then I can select under my drive and share it with me. Then start, then computers. But let's try to upload. And this time around, I wanna test something. We're gonna try to upload our Microsoft Word document. We see whether it's gonna work. So let's browse. Alright, let me try this document. So it's uploading the document. Alright, let's go to File, then Open. Let's see whether our Word document has come in. So this is our Word document. So we can open our Word document right here. This is the extracted Word document that I got from the PC. That means that you can use your Google Docs to open maybe a Word document, your different document styles. I'm sure that it is capable of opening any document type. So here we are. This is our Word document. It actually contains this image, which is pretty cool, pretty amazing. Let's head over to File. Then we can make a copy. And I click make a copy, then I'll have to name the document. Maybe let's leave it at this name. Then so we're gonna select the folder where we want to save our document. I'll just continue, but in case you want to customize where you want your document to be, then you'll select maybe your drive or share with us the same people and all that. So let me just make it a copy. So I've made it a copy and it's right there. Alright, let's head over to File. Then here is where we can share to others. Like maybe let me try to share this. Then maybe I'll save. Then I'll select the email where I want to share the document. It may be in restricted mode. Only people can access it with the link, or it can be for anyone with the link. Here I can add groups or spaces or calendars. I can either copy the link and share it to the people that I want to access this document. Then after I'll hit done, and let me just leave that at that. So these are the settings. We have allowing editors to change permissions and share. Then these are the editors, commentators and viewers. So these are the people that maybe can download the document. Let's head over to File, then let's head over to Email. So this is how I can share this document as an email. I'll just insert the email right there and I'll message. I type in the message and can set it either to be a PDF, rich text, open document, HTML, Microsoft Word, plain text, basing on what you want. You can attach the message and the subject as well. Right, here is where we can download. We can either download our document as a Microsoft Word document or download it as an open document format or rich text format, PDF, plain text, web page, and all these styles You can try them out based on what you want, but I would prefer this because it's just a Word document. All this, if I don't want to edit it easily. Alright, here is the rename. If I want to rename my document, let me rename it as Wamv tech. Or there is also this other way of editing. Just bring my mouse right here and I double click and then edit the text. That's your other way of editing your document name. So this is the name that is gonna be on the document file. Right, this is if I want to move my document in case I want to move it from point A to point B, maybe from my drive to some other folder, or these are the locations. Maybe you want to move it to computers, shared drives, basing on your interests. So let's head over to file. Then this is if I want to add my document as a shortcut to drive, I'll just click right there. Then I select where I want the shortcut to be placed. Now here is how to move our document to trash in case we just want to delete it. Just click right here. Then this is the version history. Name the current version and see version history. Then this is to make be available offline. Alright, let's try to make it offline. So now our document is available offline. That means that we can view it offline without internet. So if I want to disable it, I'll just click right here. Then the document will be no longer offline. Now let's click right at the details. This is our document details, location, my drive, then the owner, me, modified time, and created time. So it's just right there. Now these are the security limitations. Our document doesn't have any limitation applied. So we also have the language. We can change the language basing on any language that we feel like using. Just select right here for your language. Then here is the page setup. I think we did this in our previous video. Let me link it right now, and yeah, you can check it out. I've linked it as a card. Now this is the print, and please make sure that you hit your like button so that this video goes to many people out there.